This is the easiest way to make the best Nigerian coconut rice. We are going to start with our chicken because we need the broth to cook our coconut rice. Then add some chopped onions, add in some chili powder, add in ginger and garlic powder, add salt and seasoning cubes, then add some water. Mix everything together and leave it to cook for about 20 minutes. I will drop all the ingredients and measurements in the description below. Make sure you check it out. Once it's well cooked, remove the chicken and drain the chicken broth because we don't want any bone inside. Then go ahead and fry the chicken and set that aside. I'll be using 3 small sizes of coconuts. If you are using big coconuts, then 2 is okay for these 4 cups of rice that I want to cook. Now, this is the best way to break your coconuts. Check the softest one among the coconut eyes, then poke it with a small knife or a screwdriver to create a hole inside it. Then drain out the water through the hole. Repeat the same process for the rest, and once there is no water inside it anymore, this will make it very easy to break. Put it on a towel and use stone or hammer to break it easily. The towel will prevent your towels or table from getting damaged. Now use the knife to remove it one by one. Be very careful when doing this because you don't want to injure yourself. Now you are going to wash it and cut into tiny pieces. Then blend everything with water, sieve it out and set aside. In our food processor or blender, you add in some Scotch bonnet and onions. If you are using blender, make sure it's roughly blended and not smooth. In a pot, add in some oil, add the blended pepper, add some blended crayfish. Please don't add too much crayfish because you don't want it to take over the coconut flavor. Add pepper soup spice. This pepper soup spice will elevate the taste of this coconut rice. Then add in your seasoning cube and mix together. You don't need to add any salt anymore. There is enough salt in the chicken broth already. So just mix together and cover it to fry for about 3 or 4 minutes. Then after 3 minutes, add in the chicken broth, add the coconut milk, mix everything together, then cover it to boil. While we are waiting for it to boil, let's wash our rice. Now add in the washed rice, mix together and cover it to cook. While it's cooking, we are going to debone our roasted mackerel fish. Remove the flesh and the bone thoroughly, then cut into tiny pieces. Rinse it and set aside. We are also going to need some green bell peppers. We are going to wash it, then cut and dice it. Make sure you come back to check the rice every 5 minutes to turn gently so that it will cook evenly and not get burnt. Once it's almost done, add the roasted mackerel fish and mix together. Cover it to steam up, then add the diced green bell peppers. Mix it together, then turn off the heat, and our delicious coconut rice is ready. This coconut rice tastes heavenly. The sweetness and the flavor is 10 over 10. I'm sure you will love it. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.